Hi. In PowerPoint, you can easily recolor any picture, photo, or icon to perfectly match your theme, no Photoshop needed. Select the picture to modify. Go to the Picture Format tab. In the Adjust group, expand Color. In the Recolor section, select one of the presets to apply effects. You can also choose more variants, but the result may not be up to your expectations. To clear the applied effects, go to the Picture Format tab. In the Adjust group, click Reset Picture.